Hi everybody, I'm Suzanne Basner. I work for English Gardens at our Plymouth location. The holidays are always a really fun and festive time at our stores, full of holiday cheer. There are so many different ways to decorate your home and show off your style during the season. A festive holiday bow really is a great way to beautify not only your tree, but also garlands, wreaths, and of course gifts. It provides a pop of color and texture and is a great way to pull together holiday decor. Now I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of making the perfect holiday bow. We're going to start with a simple bow that still has a big impact. As you begin to master this bow, you'll learn to add more loops to create a different style. You'll need the following materials to get started. Ribbon, 10 yards of wired ribbon. I used wire ribbon because it's easy to work with and holds its shape nicely. Sharp scissors are a must. Floral wire, stem or paddle wire. For bows, I like to use the stem wire. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by making the first streamer. Make a single small loop at your desired size. Hold it together by pinching the sides of the ribbon together between your fingers. Step 2. Make a second loop the same size but in the opposite direction. You should have one loop up and one loop down. Twist the ribbon at the end of the loop so the right side shows. Step 3. Make 3 medium loops, again 3 loops up and 3 loops down for a total of 6 loops. Remember to twist the ribbon each time. Step 4. Start the next layer making 6 loops slightly in the larger size. Follow the same up and down placement. Step 5. The third and final layer is the largest of the loops and will include 4 loops total, 2 up and 2 down. Make the loops in the same manner, continuing to twist the ribbon. Step 6. Create your other streamer by cutting the ribbon to the desired length. You can add another set of streamers, just cut a piece of the ribbon and add it to the back prior to twisting your wire to secure the bow. Step 7. Secure with a piece of floral wire. Thread the wire under your thumb just above the loop. Pull towards the back of the bow and twist the ends of the wire together. Cut the bottom of the streamers at an angle to give it a finishing touch. And there you have it, a beautiful holiday bow. English Gardens has an amazing selection in ribbon in different styles, textures, and colors. You're bound to find something beautiful that will fit your holiday look. For a printable version of these directions, head over to EnglishGardens.com. Thanks for following along. From all of us at English Gardens, have a very Merry Christmas.